Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to change your DNS on Namecheap, so please listen carefully. Before starting, make sure that you have the DNS records from your hosting provider, and this ensures your domain points to the correct website. So first, log into your Namecheap account, and once you're here, you will go to the domain list, which you can find under the account section, so go ahead and click that. And next, you will click Manage. It is next to your domain, so you have to make sure first that you already have a domain. And after that, after clicking manage next to your domain, what you will have to do is scroll to the name server section, and then you will select custom DNS from the drop down menu. And next, you will enter the DNS records provided by your host, and this may include NS1, NS2, or other custom records. And finally, you will click the green check mark or save button, and then you will double check the DNS entries before saving. And then you will allow 24 to 48 hours for DNS propagation. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.